In this video, we're going to cover how to use contact form builders in custom workflows. The new contact form builder within workflows allows us to create forms within the workflow process, allowing you to view and update pertinent information from the client's record page directly in the workflow step. So to get started, let's head over to the workflow section in Wealthbox. Now we'll go ahead and click on Manage Templates at the top right so that we can add a brand new workflow template. Let's call this our onboarding workflow. And the first step, I'm going to need to call the client to verify their information. Let's set that to 0 days. And now I could go ahead and add the action. That's going to be the lightning bolt icon on the right-hand side. We'll choose Update Contact Details from the action type. And now we could select a couple of different fields that we need to see within our step here. So let's include their email address, phone number, also include their social security number and name. But now, if I wanted to bring one of these fields higher up, I could easily click to drag that up at the top. So let's drag name and social security number up near the top. Then I could select an action label. I can enter in what I want that button to actually say. So let's go ahead and label this View Contact Fields. Now I could go ahead and add a couple of more steps. So let's add another step to open account in custodian. Let's add a third step to confirm account is open and notify client. Now, once I save that template, I could go ahead and start that workflow. So let's find our onboarding workflow and start it. I'll relate it to Delilah Jones. And because the action that I just created is part of the first step, I see that action right away. So as I am calling the client to verify that information, I could view those contact fields, look over their name, social security number, email addresses, phone numbers, or any other field that you would like to include, update anything, save it, and move on with that workflow. And that's how to use the contact form builder in Wealthbox.